Hello and a very warm welcome from Sandymount. We're here at Park Avenue. We have a semi-final action in the Energia All-Ireland League Women's Division as reigning champions Railway Union take on Old Belvedere. Yes, the prize for today's winning team is a place in next Friday's final at Energia Park and a chance to sit at the top of the women's club rugby table in Ireland. So an important line out for Old Belvedere, and they go short. Have they caught Railway Union napping? They have indeed. What a start for the visitors. And who knows, very early days. But the momentum, after a lot of pressure, has gone with Old Belvedere, and a fine score. Making the tail end of the tournament. Whelan gets it back. Good strong running. They're looking for a quick ball. O'Brien puts a bit of fizz on it. O'Byrne wide. She pins the ears back and says, "I'll keep going." And away she goes. Oh my goodness. What a score. Out of nowhere. Picked the line, went on the outside. And no one was going to stop her. There. Lindsay, Peat and Co deciding what's next. The pick and go. Where is that ball? Have to go back. Now they go forward. Referee looking closely. Pulled back. And then the kick. Scuffil-McCabe has her winger, doesn't need her. Molly Scuffil-McCabe. She danced and she waved. And she's got Railway Union back in this game. Grandfather played for Munster. Nikki Baird. How many times have I said her name? She doesn't stop working. Whelan looks herself. Oh, the scrum half. What an effort. Katie Whelan, like a thief in the night. And Old Belvedere get their third try. Blackmore, again to McDermott. It's a well-oiled machine. And this maul, it's pretty well-oiled as it steams forward. And there is the score. Set piece so crucial. They got it right. Hooker to second row. And the extra yards. And the gap is reduced. And the champions, they live on. We've seen how good their maul is. It's not going to be their maul. It's going to be a breakaway. Oh, Belvedere in the back foot. Railway Union catching them napping. And are they over? They seem to think they are. The referee. Yes, they are. And what a response. 2 tries in quick succession. She's not doing the grunt. She's looking to get in the end of passes. Speaking of passes, that was great from Lindsay Peat. Hughes looks one way and decides it's a second row. Here's the captain, Scuffil-McCabe. She's got one. Not this time, she's denied. You would say it's only a matter of time for Railway Union. McDermott again across the pitch. There are numbers for Railway Union. Caughey with the spin pass and the step and the finish. Really well worked. Backs and forwards combining. The tactics haven't changed. The tap and the powerful manoeuvre from the base. Inches. And is that going to be that? Of course it is. Clinical brilliant. And they're in the final. One step away now from 3 in a row. And you can see the scenes here at Park Avenue. It's Railway Union that will be in another final. Hats go off, Doyle, Belvedere. They came here, they played some great rugby, but they came up just short. It'll be a chance for Railway Union to back up 2019 and 2022 victory with another one this Friday at Energia Park. They've been too good, and into the final they go.